welcome to the channel. I know it's been a while, but sorry, things happen. A lot of things have changed, and here we are with a new project. It's a Scion 2005. It has these little things like the color is mismatched on that, and I don't think that's the right fender. Looks like aftermarket, so we're gonna have to do some on that. We have to definitely work on the lights. And for anyone that is wondering what happened to the black one, my night rider, that's what I used to call it. I just post a picture or something of him, but yeah, I mean, gotta move on and let the universe bring you something new, like this guy right here. This is celestial. I presented to you guys, and so yeah, there's a few things that we're gonna be doing on this. I already put the antenna. I really like those ones. I can put the link where I get them from. If you guys want it, it's matching the color of the car. It's pretty cool. But yeah, we're gonna be working on this car. We're gonna be modifying it and doing a lot of things, so stay tuned. It's a 2005. All 2005 and 6 had an issue with that. If you guys have seen my previous videos, I've been replacing those, and then I have this one right here, which is from 2007 to 2010, and I'm gonna be switching from that one to this one, because I'll show you guys in a minute why. And that's what I'm gonna be doing right now on both doors. So that's what I'm talking about. See this? Holy cow, where are you at? Oh, this is what I'm talking about. See this right here versus this right here. This will start to be malfunctioning, and what happens is it's gonna grab the rail with this piece right here, the window rail, and every time you open and close the door, it's gonna destroy it. So that's why I highly recommend to do this if you have a 2005 to 2006 Scion TC, so you can avoid that problem in the future. So they're identical, they're the same. It's just that part changes, which is really nice, because you don't have to worry about that in the future. So you need to open that with a little screwdriver, with a tiny one like that, and then take this out. There's a screw right over here where you can stick this and take it out. That's gonna expose two Phillips, those right here, and then a Phillips in here. Take that out. I guess you gotta remove this also, but I don't know. But that's what you gotta do so far to take this out. I also have a video about doing this, so if you guys want to check that out, I guess I'll link a description below for that video. Now it's out. That was easy. But like I said before, I went through that hole, stick my hand all the way in, and then took this piece out, and then lined it up, those holes right there, bolt everything up, and it's good to go now. Thing, after you're done, if you press this one right here, it's supposed to pull that window down, and it doesn't go down. What you're gonna do is come to this door right here, and you go like that, half, and then you go all the way down, and then you count until 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then you go all the way back to the middle again, and then you go all the way to the top and count. You hold it like this and count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and that should reset the window like so. All right, every time if you disconnect the battery, if you're doing anything to the doors, and then you disconnect the harness from the door, and that's gonna happen. So here you have it. Here you go, guys, it's all done. It's all installed and ready to go, and I can open and close the door without worrying about the window rail getting damaged. So this was basically a quick video, a little explanation. I can go deeper if you guys want on what happened with the Night Rider. And now we got this guy, and planning to bring a few more, because honestly one car is not enough. Sometimes you gotta bring a couple. I can also show you guys how to put those. I gotta fix that one that it's a little bit crooked, but yeah, this is it, and stay tuned for more. So I'm gonna finish the other side, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, peace out.